So here we have a nice little apple pastry. I can't possibly eat this. I'm so full. Guess I'll just throw it away. Oh. All right. So remember how this works, pal, all right? We're gonna put it on your nose. Okay? Stay. Leave it. Here. I do not understand why you do that every time. Just, that work? You wanna do that instead? Leave it. Here, you put it on your nose. What? I don't understand why you do that. It doesn't make any sense at all. You want it, right? And just here. Just okay. Good boy. Good boy.